Minecraft. I'm gonna show you how to download Craft version. So first go Minecraft's minechapter.info. That will link in the description below. First go to downloads. If you're already in the link, go to downloads, and it should load up now. Come on, up. Yep. And you'll click here. You say downloads. You'll need Java to play Minecraft. If you don't have it, go get it. The path archives you go to your part of if Java installed. If you have Java installed, then try using Jarvis to fix that file. So if you have Java, if you don't have Java, click here. If you have Java, just click here and the download will start. And why did I click that? Oh, so you're gonna click that. Let me just cancel this. So yeah, you gotta open that. And then if you're done opening that, you're gonna go to Minecraft Maps. All you want 1% plus. We're going for 1% by 10. So this have so many maps. So you're gonna have to pick one. Pick one. That's my bed sound. Be there, and you'll download the map. So if you download the map like this, if it doesn't have some, or it's a jar, you have to download WinRAR, I guess. Yeah, WinRAR. So if you download the map, if you downloaded the map, you will put that into library application support and Minecraft. So in Windows, you gotta to go to app data, Minecraft, and you'll see a bunch of stuff like this. Let me just clean that up by name. Yeah, yep. So you'll have to go saves. You see, you're going to have the proper map. I downloaded it. You're gonna stay there. That's how you put maps in your Minecraft. So let me just test it out. You can see here. What happened? What is that? See here, English strong by bigger, strong by bigger. If you go in here, you will see the dropper map. I am not trolling you guys, even though this is my second video. And let me just get this done. Anyway guys, that's about all of it. Thanks you guys for watching. Like this video and subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, just hit that like button up and I'll stop recording and just a little more. I will tell you that this will work. I promise. So, I was about to exit it, but I don't have. I don't know. I don't know. We just go. Okay, that's going to be on this episode. So, on this tutorial. So, hope you guys like it. Leave thumbs up and see you guys later. Bye. Oh, oh, oh. Is this Robert? Wait, just wait. 1 second. Is this Robert? Yep. You will see this that I played it. So that's going to be it. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.